Hey there. Today we're going to show you how to create a true crime montage, a style that's very popular on Netflix, especially in true crime series. First, let's start a new project using our YouTube presets. This will set up our composition with the correct settings and include guidelines for how the video will look on YouTube. Next, import your footage into the timeline. For this demo, we'll need a 5-second scene with each video clip being 1 second long. Cut the end of each footage using the shortcut Command plus right bracket or Alt plus right bracket. Now, select all your video clips, right-click on any of them, and choose Keyframe Assistant. Sequence layers, and just hit OK. We've created a sequence that is 4 seconds long, with each clip being 1 second. For now, let's turn off the guide layers. Head to Overlays and look for the VHS topic. Here, you can choose a VHS Looks collection to give your clips a vintage, retro appearance. I'll be using the VHS tape effect, but choose the one that best fits your scene. You'll see our clips now have that classic VHS camera look, but let's go further and add borders. To do that, simply head over to our effects panel, scroll down to the bottom, and enable the borders option. By default, the borders give you that old VHS tape look with a 4:3 aspect ratio. If that's not your style, you can easily invert the borders for a more cinematic look. Adjust as needed, and if unsure, hit Reset to Default. Yeah, I think the default values look great. Next, select our second video clip, go to Transitions, click on the camera topic, and pick the Camera Shakes collection. This first camera shake looks great. Double-click on it, and it will be automatically placed on your selected footage. Let's preview our scene. It's already looking great. For the second clip, let's add even more camera shake. Click on your footage and import the hit medium. It automatically places itself correctly because we selected this footage before importing. Now let's select the final clip and apply a damaged tape transition to enhance the broken tape illusion. For that, let's look for the collection called Damaged Tape, where you'll find all sorts of glitches that mimic the look of broken tape. Choose Recorded Error or whichever effect you feel fits best. We've made a lot of changes, so let's preview our scene. After this error effect on the final clip, cut the VHS look so it transitions smoothly from tape to a normal camera look. Our video is nearly complete, but for added realism, let's incorporate a VHS Viewfinder effect. Go to the VHS Viewfinder collection, add this first item or choose whatever fits your scene best. It might be slightly off, so adjust it by increasing the radius on the Y-axis. Now, let's preview our final scene. Our scene is ready for production. If you need to tweak anything, simply click on any item and make your adjustments, like adding brightness or a tape glitch effect over your footage. As a final touch, you might want to use our guided layers to preview how your video would look on YouTube. Remember, the key is to play around and find what works best for your specific scene. Experiment, explore, and remember, if there's something you need, we're just a message away. Happy creating.